what's up with y'all? I'm firing up this video and starting it on the second day, and it'll make sense why. You're gonna watch the first part of the video, and then we'll jump into this part, and you'll fully understand why. You're gonna get caught all up. So let's start the video with yesterday. Hey man, we got some more package. Actually, let me turn this down. Let me turn it down. God dang it. Look, we got some more packages in. I'm telling y'all, please bear with me. I went a little bit crazy and everything's just happening in the run-in right now. And like I said in the last video yesterday, actually I'm filming it again. I'm on the roll because I have to be. My garage is gonna be overrun with stuff. So I kinda gotta get stuff knocked out as it comes in. Enough blabbing to talking. These should be our new front forks. These should be our shocks for this R3. I'm actually glad that I don't have the plastics on it yet because I don't like doing forks through the plastics. And I do them through the plastics just because I'm lazy sometimes. I just take the clip-ons off, slide the forks out, slide the new forks in and be good to go. But let's pop these forks in, get everything straightened up. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna drop the wheel off and then we're gonna slide the forks out and slide new ones back in. Oh, but first let's inspect them. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, we look good. We look good. Okay, so let me try to film it. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna get to it. New forks are on, new clip-ons are on, new ride height set. The dive in on this bike was good. Just trying to improve the front turn in. Shortly, I swear to God, I'm gonna get real deal. At least gonna do what I did with the R1. Bought these initially for Jalen to have practice bikes. I just have a ton of fun on this one and I leave this one for Jalen. So I clapped this one up, I gotta fix it, get it ready for the season because even though we still do kind of have motorcycle track days, the kart track never closes. Actually, I'm not fucking sure, yo. All right, so look, bro, I got it together. I just went and rode it. I have a small suspicion. Y'all see that kink right there? So that's where I believe the impact was great at, which is right at this point, and I do feel like that got bent. It's straight enough. If I really was slumming it, I could ride it, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get this completed. I did definitely just get a new shipment from WRS. That's for the R9. I've got that stuff, this stuff, and some more shit coming. So with that being said, it's raining, it sucks. I'm gonna give y'all two and we out. I was thinking about it. I'm like, what can I do? Let me confirm this. I put a leveling gauge at the bottom here and up top here. So at bare minimum, this side and this side vary by 1 degree, which meaning if this was level to horizon, this one is 1 degree coming back this way, which makes the handlebars crooked. My idea is brute strength. When something bugs me, I need to sort it right then and there. Now, I'm gonna bend it. I'm gonna see. I've got quite a few breaker bars and we gonna see if these breaker bars can give me what I need. It was funny because when I was putting this fork in yesterday, this one took way more effort than that one. That one slide out when I took him out, slide right back in. This one, a little bit of resistance out, a lot more resistance in. And when I loosened up everything, it took most of the kink out of it as I loosened up all the nuts and bolts to drop the forks out. But there's just so much that metal memory would spring back to. So I'm gonna help with maneuvering that memory on that metal on that lower one back out so that the fork will go from this to that. In my eyes, it's a far better triumph or result if I just manhandle it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I can make it work. Literally, we're going 1 degree. So I feel like I can easily maneuver 1 degree. Let's get into that. And that's what we're doing today. Ease of y'all to see, we're gonna use the iPhone instead of the actual level that I use for work, just for entertainment value. Okay, there we go, zeroed. 23 degrees. We need it to be at 20. So we got 3 degrees to go. All right, I think we got it. Quite a bit of trial and error. Obviously, I really feel like this is outrageously straight. So triple tree is straight, wheel is straight, everything is straight. Now we just straighten out the clip-ons. All right, so I think we've completed this task. Just need tires and fairings. It would be good to bounce back out right after Christmas. So let's look forward to that. I'm gonna mark my points. This is just an easy reference if I fall or anything, and rotate back those clip-ons. Just put them back to that point. Got this completed, and I'm happy about all of that. But it looks like the Sentinel is coming to make sure I film. I'm serious when I be saying this fool be checking on me, calling me, making sure I'm filming. And the Michelin stank. Look at that. So that's all done and completed. Got everything knuckled up, buttoned up. We're just waiting on getting the fairings back on, and that's gonna be about that. This fool. This nigga followed Mike from the freeway. Hold on. Nah, nigga really did follow Mike from the freeway. He want a photo now. Goddamn Mike. Fucking Mike.
Popping up on bruh. I seen him at the stop sign, but that nigga.
Hey, he was like, I'm trying to keep up with Michael. I need to keep up with Michael. I'm like, who comes?
It's like,
yeah. I'm like, who comes pulling up behind you? I thought we was about to have issues. I was finna come with it. All right, cool. Mike's out, and I can end this vlog. We got gains coming. Fairings will be here a couple weeks, and I'm not putting a headlight back in it. Y'all familiar with this, what I did with that? There's no headlight in that situation. So I do got the same thing, same tinted headlight covers. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. So these bikes will fully be twins. That is another shock. Same CBR 600RR, ABS version. That rear shock is what fits on these bikes. So we're gonna do the same thing on that. So we'll have full twins except for the tune. So cool, I'm done. I got it situated how I wanted to, so we're gonna get y'all two. Now we out.